Hi, today for lunch I am making something very special. Mutton dry curry, not a gravy but a dry, spicy, flavorful version. And trust me, it's so good. So first I took the cleaned mutton into a pressure cooker. I added some salt, turmeric and freshly grounded ginger garlic paste. Just look at the fresh paste, it really makes a difference. Then I added a little oil, a splash of water, gave everything a nice mix, closed the lid and let it cook. And when I opened it, the mutton was perfectly soft and tender. Now let's move to the best part, frying. I heated another pan with a little oil, added freshly crushed garlic, and oh, the aroma of garlic hitting hot oil, so good. Then I added onions and curry leaves. I fried them until golden and added red chili powder for that beautiful color and spice. Next, I added the cooked mutton pieces and mixed everything together. Slowly, all the water started evaporating and the mutton turned dry, soaking up all those flavors. At this stage, I sprinkled some mutton masala powder and gave it a mix. And topped it with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Just a quick fry for 1 to 2 minutes. And wow, our mutton dry curry is ready. Look at the texture, it's so tempting. I didn't add too much oil, so it's not heavy or greasy, just the right balance of flavor and health. And along with this dish, I also made a goat head curry in the pressure cooker. That recipe will be coming in my next video. But you know what makes this meal even more special? Sitting down with my husband to enjoy it. He's usually so busy with office work, but when we get time to sit together for lunch, it feels so peaceful. Even the stress of the whole day just fades away. Sometimes he even serves me food, and those little moments really mean a lot to me. What about you? Do you also enjoy sitting together with your family during lunch or dinner? I would love to hear your stories in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more recipes. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.